Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create creative and trendy reel using trendy music. What are we waiting for? Let's not waste time and dive into it. First of all, you'll pick a trendy music for this type of contents, and of course the music need to be copyright free. Here I downloaded a copyrights-free trendy music from internet. Simply drag and drop the music into the project timeline and figure out which part you will use for the videos and align with the first footage as starting portion. You can use any kind of music according to your needs. Now you will choose all the photos which will be used for this content. You can just simply drag the photos from your file manager and organize them in project folder. And drag those photos in the sequence or timeline. For first photo, you have to match the size and attributions with the first footage. From where the hook will be started and the photos will be changed, syncing with the music beat. For example, for this content, I had to match the pound sign with the previous footage and the remain photos will be aligned with the first footage. Now I just copied the size and attributions of the first photo and paste to the remaining photos to match the pound size. Now I need more photos with a pound sign in them and drag those photos into the project timeline. Then I randomly pick a photo which can be fit for this content. Then I will choose more photos because I need a lot of photos for this content. The photos should be neat and clean, otherwise the transitions won't look good. Then I need to match all the photo size and attributions with the first footage. This part is the most important because you need to match perfectly, otherwise the transition won't look good. I need to keep a gap between two photos so that they can match the beats of the music. The gap can be decided based on the beats. The ideal gap can be 4/5 frame from each. Then I will take an adjustment layer for color corrections of those photos. Because beside photos attributions, I need to match the color also. Now I'll add some text as CTA in the end screen. This is important because I have to match the size and the attributions for that photo also, in order to get a smooth transition. I can add anything in the CTA screen, as per my campaign or content communication.
For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.